Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this Chrome text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word Chrome. You can also change the font here as well. Go to effects and select the effect that is this one. And then you can color it, I think, if you go to media and add in like this on top of the text. And just go to blend mode and choose something like the linear burn one if you want to change the color. And what I like to do is I like to go to effects as well, go to star, and add in like an effect that will look good on the text. So I'm just going to find some stuff first. Like this one, star 3 is I think good. You can adjust the filters here, and you can also adjust the glow. I like to delete the glow actually. Adjust the amount, and you can also adjust the size. You can add these like stars. You can select everything. Once you're done, right click and select create compound clip. And that's it. I think you can add it to other videos, not quite sure, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!